guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's Roccabox time. Roccabox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It's a beauty box. Every month it comes in this little pink doodad, and then inside is a white box with rose gold embossed Roccabox on it. Really pretty. It's £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging if you do a month by month rolling contract. If you want to do 6 months, it's £54 plus £3.95, like £54 up front, and it's like plus the delivery, so it saves you £6. And then if you do it for 12 months, you save £18 overall. So let's get in. Oh, so it's got the pretty little Roccabox logo on the inside, which is the diamond, and then it's like this. This is the little card that tells you all about it, and then this is the box. So let's have a look. Okay, this month it says, every month we try and test and play around with too many new products to mention. We don't just send you them all to you because, well, quite frankly, we only want you to have the very best from us. So we only send the ones that we think deliver on so many levels. We use a certain criteria to make sure the products that we land on your doorstep tick loads of boxes. And it says this month we've set out to find must-haves that tick another box: vegan and cruelty-free. So the whole box is vegan and cruelty-free. Being vegan is no longer limited to a foodie scene. The beauty industry has moved with the times, making sure that vegan beauty is an actual thing, and now new products launch daily that meet vegan animal-friendly criteria. So this month we put together a box of products, cruelty-free and vegan-friendly products that crucially tick all the boxes. Expect results-driven, vegan-friendly beauty full of incredibly effective ingredients. Packaging that earns them a proud place on your bathroom shelf, and this way you can go ahead, preen and pamper and beautify yourself totally guilt-free. So I'm not gonna read what's in there. I'm just gonna grab stuff. So the first little thing I've got is a manicadar, and it is an eyeshadow. Oh, that's brows. Oh, it's a little brow kit. So it's a manicadar brow trio, and it says this collection of brow perfecting products combines everything you need for insta-ready brows, including a brow trio of highly pigmented powders to define and highlight, an angled brush for flawless application, and tweezers. How is that all in this little tiny thing? I'm confused. It says this is $39. This can't be $39. This can't be $39. There's no tweezers or anything in there. That literally says, this collection of brow perfecting powders has everything, including a brow trio of highly pigmented powders to define and highlight, an angled brush for flawless application, tweezers, what? And a dual-ended pencil. I think that must be a full-size one, because this is not. This has got to be, that's just a little sample of the powders. That's proper confused me, because it says it all in and it says it's $39, which is not. They're not hiding anywhere, I don't think. No, there's not like a secret compartment in this that I'm not seeing. There are 3 brow powders. There's a highlighter and then 2 brow powders. One of them is much warmer than the other. I'd probably use this one and the highlight. And there's an airplane, because why would there not be? Airplanes. Yeah, that really confused me, because this is a sample, but the full-size one has everything in it, which would be worth $39. But yeah, this is just a sample, but that really confused me because it says everything's in there. That was confusing. Okay, moving on. I've got a Mercy Handy, and this is all dry shampoo. I love Mercy Handy stuff. I use their hand sanitizers. I've got them everywhere. I think I gave one to one of the kids this morning, but they're really good, so I'm excited to see what this is like. Give it a sniff. Oh, it smells really nice. It's Love and Dry Shampoo. We all know how to use dry shampoo. It smells really good. This is £4.90. I don't know if this is a full size or not, or if this is a sample. Good hair days are only a couple of sprays away when we keep this beauty necessity handy. See what we did there, because they're called Mercy Handy. Delicately fragrant through this ingredients that are going to take your hair from limp, lifeless, one day past wash to supermodel-esque bedhead, full of volume, lift, and a gorgeous scent. Yep, that's awesome. I'll definitely get that. Definitely use that. Next up, I've got a What is going on? I'm confuddled. I'm so confuddled. I'm confused. I'm not going to pick that one up yet. I'm confused. I'm going to go this one. This is a BAO lip balm. Oh, I needed a lip balm for holiday. Full of lip nourishing oils. You will see this will see through the day when you have chapped lips. They've replaced the beeswax. So it's a vegan one, obviously, because it says cocoa butter, candelilla wax, and coconut oil. It looks nice. And this is, yeah, £4. I don't know if it's going to focus on that because it's like super pale and tiny. We'll see. There we go. It's quite smart. BAO. I don't know if you're supposed to pronounce it any other, but I'd say BAO. That's really cool. I like that. That's going straight in my hand luggage. Okay, next one I've got a lipstick. This is a Milani lipstick, and this is in the colour Smart. Is it Smart? So this is the packaging. Kiko Milano, rich and nourishing lippy in a creamy. It's creamy and leaving the lips feeling incredibly soft with a highly pigmented colour that glides on. This colour is, yeah, it's called Smart. And think fierce shades of scarlet. Okay, this isn't a scarlet shade at all. This is like a nudie rose. It's nice, but I have got like 400 other lipsticks of that exact same colour, so I think I'm probably going to give this to my mother-in-law or my sister-in-law. But it's a really nice, really pretty, sleek packaging. I really like it, and it is a beautiful colour. I've just got loads the same, so I won't be keeping that. I will be giving that away to somebody. And then it says, your final product is a surprise. You'll either have a handbag hero or vitamin C packed facial boost. Either way, these are the ideal skin saviours for autumn. So I've got hand therapy, which is Crabtree and Evelyn Venetian Violet. It's sealed. I don't use hand cream, so again I'm going to give this away. But it's a nice little handbag sized one. Really pretty packaging. And from what memory serves, Crabtree and Evelyn stuff always smells really nice. So yeah, I think that's okay. It's not my favourite one that I've ever had. I love that it's all vegan and cruelty free because that is awesome. This will definitely get used. That's going to go straight in my hand luggage. The brow powder, I was really excited about that, but then it is only the powders and in this it says it's got everything, which it hasn't. So I was a little bit disappointed with that, but the powder's nice. This will definitely get used. And my mother-in-law is probably going to get these, so she's going to be well chuffed. But overall, yeah, okay box. Not my favourite, but definitely not the worst box I've ever had. I'll link them down below if you want to go over to Roccabox and have a look for yourself. But yeah, if you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.